student, please subscribe my channel, share my video with your friends. You will get very good information about ionic equilibrium and every topic in my videos. Solid AgNO3 ionic equilibrium we are discussing. Solid AgNO3 is slowly added to a solution that is 0.01 m each NaCl, NaBr and NaI. Three salts are there, NaCl, NaBr, NaI. Each concentration is 0.001 m. So calculate the concentration of Ag1 positive required to initiate precipitation of AgCl, precipitation of AgBr and AgI. Okay, NaCl and NaI, NaBr, all these are completely ionized, strong electrolyte. So concentration of Cl negative, Br negative and I negative will be 0.001, which is given here 0.001 m. So here I have written instead of this 10 to the power minus 3 m, so it will be very easy for you. Now Ksp is given, AgI I have not written here, but here I am giving Ksp AgI given 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 16. So Ksp of AgI will be, we know that how Ag is formed. AgI is ionized as Ag1 positive and plus I negative. Okay, so Ksp will be molar concentration of Ag1 positive and iodide ion. So it is given 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 16. So I negative will be how much? I negative is given 0.001. Okay, so Ag1 positive we have to calculate. So Ag1 positive will be equal to, this is given to us, this is also given to us. So Ksp divided by I negative, so we will get Ag1 positive concentration, that is coming to be 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 13 m. Ag1 positive to start precipitation, Ksp by Agi by molar concentration of I negative. Like that AgBr Ksp is given 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 13. Same way Br negative, this is common for all, this is common for all, 10 to the power minus 3 m. Okay, so Ag positive to initiate precipitation will be Ksp AgBr divided by Br negative concentration. So 3.3, this is given, we will write on that Ksp of AgBr divided by 10 to the power minus 3, which we have calculated earlier. It is everywhere, Cl also, Br also, they are 10 to the power minus 3. So calculated, it is 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 10 m concentration of Ag1 positive to initiate precipitation as AgBr. Now AgCl 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 is given Ksp. So Ag1 positive to initiate precipitation of AgCl will be equal to Ksp AgCl by Cl negative. So 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 10 to the power minus 3. Answer is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 7. This is Ag1 positive molar concentration. Okay, initiate